My name is Rachel Brooks, and I'm a graduate student here at Moss Landing Marine Labs. I'm also this year's co-chair for Open House. Our Open House provides a great opportunity for us graduate students to communicate our research as well as raise funds for student scholarships. So let's dive in and check out the amazing research that you can help fund.
Hi, my name is Brigitte Madrigal, and I'm a second-year graduate student in the vertebrate ecology lab here at Moss Landing Marine Labs. And the funds that we were able to raise through SJSU crowdfunding and the Moss Landing Open House allowed me to do my research out here in Monterey Bay, where I was tracking Brazil's dolphin to record their vocalizations. And we were able to analyze these vocalizations using spectrograms, which are these images of sound. And I just want to thank all the generous donors that helped me to be able to do my research here at Moss Landing.
Please make your gift today and support Moss Landing Marine Labs graduate students by choosing one of the giving levels below. Or swing by our open house April 28th and 29th from 9 to 5.